Nightlife way.
Everybody need a little fresh air, you know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people?
Nightlife
you know?
way.
Getting it in.
You piece of shit. Insulated.
Okay, y'all, check it out. Got that new one, that new fuel pump on there with the sending unit. Let's take a look at the old one. This old beat up factory fuel pump. Shit out my car. Yeah, so it's looking like another slam dunk the Nightlife way in the freezing cold. You know? Got my baby ass all up in the air. That's how we like them. That's how we like them. That's how you know we putting work in. You know what I'm saying? We get them bad bitches and we, you know, we put their ass up in the air. You know what I'm saying? It's a metaphor. But yeah, y'all, check it out. You don't know how happy I am to get my baby back on the road. You know, the Deuce is taking a nap. She's sleeping. Still here looking so sexy, so clean. You know? You know? Let's get a little flashlight in there for y'all. See them Broham seats looking good. Brom clean. You know? So I try to tell these young boys, man, you keep the Brom clean. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Them door panels. Clean. You know, all she need is a little coloring. Fresh top. But yeah, I'm so happy to get my baby back on the road, y'all.